Hello everyone. Question is when you use a remote backend that needs authentication, HashiCorp recommends that you option A push your Terraform configuration to an encrypted Git repository. Option B write an authentication credentials in the Terraform configuration files. Option C use partial configuration to load the authentication credentials outside of the Terraform code. Option D keep the Terraform configuration files in a secret store. Correct answer is option C. Question is what are the benefits of using infrastructure as code? Select 5 options. Option A infrastructure as code is relatively simple to run and write regardless of a user's prior experience with developing code. Option B infrastructure as code provides configuration, consistency, and standardization among deployments. Option C infrastructure as code is easily repeatable, allowing the user to reuse code to deploy similar yet different resources. Option D infrastructure as code gives the user the ability to recreate an application's infrastructure for disaster recovery scenarios. Option E infrastructure as code easily replaces development languages such as Go and .NET for application development. Option F infrastructure as code allows a user to run a manual task into a simple automated deployment. Correct answer is option A, B, C, D and option F. Question is your team uses Terraform OSS. You have created a number of reusable modules for important independent network components that you want to share with your team to enhance consistency. What is the correct option or way to do that? Option A Terraform modules cannot be shared in OSS version. Each developer needs to maintain their own modules and leverage them in the main TF file. Option B upload your modules with proper versioning in the Terraform public module registry. Terraform OSS is directly integrated with the public module registry and can reference the modules from the code in the main TF file. Option C Terraform module sharing is only available in enterprise version via Terraform private module registry, so no way to enable it in OSS version. Option D store your modules in a NAS shared file server and ask your team members to directly reference the code from there. This is the only viable option in Terraform OSS, which is better than individually maintaining module versions for every developer. Correct answer is option B. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is what Terraform feature is shown in the example below? Option A conditional expression. Option B local values. Option C dynamic block. Option D data source. Correct answer is option A. Question is Talal is a DevOps engineer and he has deployed the production infrastructure using Terraform. He is using a very large configuration file to maintain and update the actual infrastructure. As the infrastructure have grown to a very complex and large, he has started experiencing slowness when he run the Terraform plan. What are the options for him to resolve this slowness? Option A use refresh is equals to true flag as well as the target flag with Terraform plan in order to work around this. Option B run Terraform refresh every time before running Terraform plan. Option C break large configurations into several smaller configurations that can each be independently applied. Option D. Use refresh is equals to false flag as well as the target flag with Terraform plan in order to work around this. Correct answer is option C and option D. Question is when using providers that require the retrieval of data, such as the HashiCorp Vault provider, in what phase does Terraform actually retrieve the data required? Option A. Terraform delete. Option B. Terraform plan. Option C. Terraform init. Option D. Terraform apply. Correct answer is option B. Question is which of the following is not a valid Terraform string function? Option A. Replace. Option B. Format. Option C. Join. Option D. toString. ToString. Correct answer is option D. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe.